Hey guys, welcome to Rasco Garage. Quick tip today for all you F80 M3 or even probably F30 chassis owners. If you're ever removing your front bumper, there's a pesky bolt right here in the middle that you literally have no access to unless you take off the entire lower front lip portion, which is a lot of extra steps. So I was able to get a wrench just to get mine out, which took quite a while. It took about 10 minutes just to get the one screw out. So what I'm doing here is I'm just tapping a little hole with a drill bit, and then I'm slowly increasing the diameter of the hole here, and I have a socket, I believe they're 8 millimeters. So I'm just kind of slowly opening up this hole for 8 millimeter. So what this is going to allow me to do is when I go to put this bumper back on, I'm going to have clean access to this pesky little bolt that takes quite a while. It's hidden, there's literally no access, and this is going to be on the bottom of the lip, so literally you won't be able to see it. Only you will know about the access point that you've tapped into that lower lip. You can see on mine it's got some scrapes from going in and out of the driveway, but this is a quick 5-minute, or actually it's only a couple of minutes really, solution to get your bumper on and off quickly. So if you found this helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment. Happy to answer any questions for you. Appreciate you guys watching this quick short little tip here on Rasco Garage. Catch you guys next time.